Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Vani and today I will be talking about the inches and the weight gain that I have done during my pregnancy. So I'll be discussing it about each month and giving you the details and what really you can do about it to not gain so much weight. So if you guys know it and if you guys are following me on Instagram and everywhere, you would know that I haven't gained so much weight during my pregnancy. So let's begin. Okay, so when I was not pregnant, like before my pregnancy, just before my pregnancy, I was 60 kilos and technically I should be 55 kilos as per my dream weight, but I was 60 kilos. Okay, so that's one thing. So from 60 kilos, we'll begin like how much did I really gain? And as per my waist, exactly from the belly, inches were 29 inches. After my first month of pregnancy, my weight was 59 kilos. And the inches were the same, the belly waist inch. Okay, so that's the specific one section of my body that I'll be talking about as per my inches and not the whole body. Okay, now comes my second month and the nausea has just begun. So that's when I have not gained again any weight, and end of my second month it was again 59 kilos and 30 inches. All right, now comes the third month of pregnancy, which was third month of pregnancy. I have gained nothing at all, 59 kilos and 30 inches again. All right, so this was the end of my first trimester, and the reason I haven't gained till now, why? Because I think I was into nausea. So that's one thing. Now really you cannot do anything about it. You would definitely hate food, and the only positivity that you can grab from this situation is that you will not gain weight. So that's it. Okay, now comes the second trimester where the fourth month starts. So the end of fourth month, it was 63 kilos. So technically I have gained somewhat 3.5 kilos, honestly 4 kilos. And the waist inch was 34. Yeah, 4 inches and 4 kilos, just like that in a month. Why did this happen? Why? Because I was out from my nausea phase and I was all happy in life and I wanted to eat anything and everything around me. So that's what happens when you're pregnant. So I started eating because I was so confident that I'm not gaining any weight. I was like, let's just eat it. Koi kitna hi gain kar lega. So I ate like a pig. Okay, so I was going out every week, eating from outsides, and I used to tell Tanvi whenever he used to like come, once you come back from work, get me cakes and everything. So I was eating a lot. That is the reason why I gained so much of weight in the fourth month. And then end of the fourth month, when I had to go and visit my doctor, like the regular checkup, and when I did my weight check, it was 4 kilos of the increment in my life and the 4 inches also. So I was shocked, I was shattered, and I was like, well, I have to do something about it, because if I calculated, if I would gain 4 kilos each from the fourth month, 4 kilos, 5th month 4, 6th month 4, 7th month 4, 8th month 4, 9th month 4. So 6 into 4 is 24. I was like, 24 kilos is almost 30 kilos in 9 months of pregnancy, and I was not ready for that. So I did talk to my doctor. I was like, I have gained 4 kilos. Do you think this is right and this is okay? She's like, this is little more. The healthiest to gain is 2 to 2.5 kilos in a month, not more than that. I was like, it's the double that I've gained. She's like, yeah, I just walk a little bit. So I was like, okay. So when I came back home, I did talk to my mother and everything. I was like, I gained so much. She's like, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, खाओ अभी बच्चे की हेल्थ को, तुम्हारी हेल्थ कोई डाइट नहीं करना है, खाओ. So that was the wrong person I had a word with. Alright, so now you'll have to talk to yourself and then you'll have to do the research online. Now you don't have to do the research because you are watching the correct video. So what really happens is that if you eat a lot, if you overeat, and if you eat junk, you'll definitely gain weight. So now what I did was, from the 5th month, I did not eat outside at all. It was just once a week, and that too one meal in the whole week when it comes to eating. Secondly, I did not eat all day, and I switched my cravings into something which was more healthy, like from Blue Lays chips cup, from the Blue Lays chips ka packet to watermelon. I know it's not that easy, but then you will have to enjoy it and think that you will not gain weight and you look all nice and pretty. Okay, initially what I was doing is I had grabbed vada pavs and all these junk food from everywhere, and I have stored it in the fridge, and I used to eat one vada pav every evening. From that, in my 4th month, I switched to watermelons, oranges, and then maybe some sandwiches with green chutney if you really crave for something spicy and something, you know, not so sweet and not so like that. So that's the first thing, pehla badlav, the first change that I did in my life in the 5th month. Second change that I did was I started walking for 30 minutes every day, no matter what. So it was snowing here when I was in my 5th month, and I used to walk inside the living area that I have. So obviously it's very boring. You cannot just walk in such a small area, so it's very boring. So what we used to do is, whenever he used to come back from work, he used to sit there and I used to keep walking. We used to talk like a lot, talk about all the interesting things that interest me, so that I would not know that I have to pass this 30 minutes. And then we used to do video call and stuff, and I used to keep walking. So that's the second badlav that I did, the second change in my life. The third change that I adapted was not to overeat. I know when it comes to Rajma Chawal, it is very difficult. You have to overeat, and I mean, it's just not possible. But you'll have to make this little brainers understand that, come on, it's the weight. Now it comes to the end of 5th month, and I went again for the regular checkup and the weight check. Now the weight check was 65.5, which was 2.5 kilos gain, which is all fine. And when it comes to my inches, the belly waist, it was just 1 inch of the increment that has happened. So this was all fine. Earlier it was 34 inches and now it is 35 inches. All fine. Just 1 inch of the increase in the belly and 2.5 kilos increase in the weight in the 5th month. 6th month I gained 2 kilos and 2 inches. So 67.5 and 37. So this was the end of 2nd trimester. And what I noticed was, as per my mehnat, the hard work that I did to not gain weight, and I did not starve, let me tell you that. I made sure that I will not harm the baby or myself. So I did eat, but I eat healthier. So that's one thing. Now comes the 3rd trimester. 7th month was 70 kilos and again 2 inches I've increased on my belly. That was 39. 8th month I was following the same track of eating the same way, and I gained 2 kilos, which led to 72, and inches gain was 41 inches, my waist. Yeah. Now comes the end of the 9th month. The end trimester, you will really see your body growing. I was thinking that I have gained a lot in the last trimester, but it does not happen like that, because the maximum weight that the baby gains in the last trimester. The last month, which is the 9th month, I had gained 1 kilo only, which had led to 73 from 72 kgs. I had gained only 1 inch more, so it was 42 inches. And let me tell you that I did not deliver the baby as per what the due date was. It was 25th May, but I delivered on 2nd of June. And then when I checked just before delivering, it was again 73 kilos only, 73.2, 73.3, like that. And the inches gain was again the same, 42. This is the weight that I had gained, 73 kilos and 42 inches. And I was 60 kilos, so all in all 13 kilos I have gained, 13 only in my in my pregnancy, 9 months of pregnancy. And when it comes to inches, I was 30 and I had gained 12 inches, 42. Now let me tell you, just after delivery, how much did I really lose. So it was, as I told you, it was 73 and 42 inches. Now when it comes to the delivery part, pushing and, you know, popping out the baby, I lost 6 kilos. So out of the 13 kilos that I had gained, I lost 6 kilos just after delivery, removing all the fluids, all the magical things that was happening inside me, my baby, the placenta, everything. When it came out, I lost this much. When it comes to the inches lost, I just lost 2 inches. From 42, it dropped down to 39. That's it. This was my experience, and this was my journey of gaining weight till my delivery. Just after my delivery, how much did I lose? Now, right now, I am 1 month old. My baby is 1 month old. I am 1 month old after giving delivery. So now if you want to know how much did I lose, that I'll tell you in the next video, like in the coming video. In that I will be telling you how much did I really lose in this 1 month, in this 6 weeks. Basically, I'm planning to do this video once I complete my 6 weeks and go to the doctor, like visit the doctor for the regular checkup. So that's when I want to do this video. And I will tell you how much weight did I lose, how much inches did I lose, and how did I really lose all of this. So now the first part of the video is over, that you wanted to have the information like how much did I really gain as per inches and weight. Now I will tell you how to not gain weight during pregnancy and all the important points that I have, the ones that I have experienced, the ones that I've tried, and these are the easiest things that you can do in life. Alright? So the first and the foremost thing is like eat homemade food, which is very important. Whatever you want to eat, make tikkis, make dum aloo, make pav bhaji, make masala dosa, whatever you want to have, but make sure it is homemade. And if you want to eat something junk, something from outside, restrict yourself and make sure you do that in the weekends, and that too like once in the weekend, like one meal in the whole week. And if you really crave for it, I would not tell you to kill that craving, and I would advise you, my baby's waking up, I will tell you to eat at least 2 meals, like one on the Saturday, one on Sunday, which is totally fine, but only 1 meal a day, that too weekends per. Now get a big bottle of water, I'll tell you which one. Hello Booby. Hello. अभी रोना मत हाँ, वीडियो खत्म होने वाली हूँ. Okay, so this is the big bottle that I have. I got it from Walmart. You can grab it from anywhere. If in India, go check out Big Bazaar or Amazon. Yeah, this contains 8 glasses of water. So there was a label here that I took it off. So it can have 8 glasses of water. So I used to finish 2 bottles of these, so actually 16 glasses a day, and it was not forceful. I used to feel so thirsty. It's just that you have to remember that you have to drink water, A, and B, if you'll have smaller bottles, you'll tend to get lazy to, you know, get up and fill the water, and then sometimes you will just avoid it and whatever. Yeah, but this, if you have it, trust me, you'll finish it off. So this is very important. Have a bigger bottle. Okay, if there is no exercise that you can do, which is totally fine, A, maybe you hate it like me, or second, you're busy. Yeah, so what you can do is just walk for 30 minutes every day. And that too, it should not be like brisk walking. It can be normal हाथी की चल चलो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ले तुम रहोगे ही, ठीक है. 30 minutes of walking, हाथी वाली चाल in pregnancy is totally fine. Now make sure you do all the household work. इंडिया में तो मेड है, then you know आलस आ जाता है, but यहाँ पर I had nobody with me and I had to do it. So somewhat this has helped me. So from making breakfast, lunch, dinner, cleaning the house. यहाँ पे इतना क्लीनिंग चाहिए भी नहीं. So it's not really like you have to do झाड़ू पोछा every day. So it's not really a lot that I'm telling you to do. Just cook your food. Make sure that you don't sit all the time, the whole day, and just walk a little bit, cook food, make your own chapatis and eat. So this is one thing that I would recommend, because that is something that will keep you active as well as a little healthy. Now it comes to evening cravings, mid-morning cravings. So if you have those, which is totally fine, try and, you know, have watermelon if you can. Try and make different sandwiches at home, like paneer sandwich with green chutney, or vegetable sandwich. If you want, if you're non-vegetarian, have chicken sandwich and all of that. But I would advise you to home cook and eat. Sometimes I had bought like frozen tikkis, and once a week or twice a week I used to not really fry it, but yeah, like thoda sa tawe pe sek kar, and I used to make a good sandwich out of it, sometimes a burger out of it. But I used to have, but again, this is not homemade, this is like outside. But once a week in the evening is totally fine. Now you can make different things like चिवड़ा बोलते क्या बोलते हैं वो जो पोहा का थिन का बनता है ना, मम्मी बनाती है. So you can make that at home. You can make different namkeens at home, or you can tell your mother to make that for you, or have panjiri in the evening and the mid-morning craving. Fruits definitely include, if you really don't want to do it, like, excuse me, don't really stare at me.
You're looking beautiful.
Yeah, that's true. Hello. मेरा charging होना है.
सोने लग रही तू.
That's the truth. मुझे नहीं पता. So definitely. Am I shooting or not? It's professionalism or not disturbing someone?
It's not professional, but I have to.
मेरे तो कैमरे की सेटिंग हिला दे.
I'm working, यार.
You're working. Show your face to people. People should know. This is how you work. So guys, definitely include fruits. If you like it, if you don't like it, does not matter. Have to include some things. You have to do it, okay? Like I love watermelons, I love mangoes, I love oranges. Oranges मीठे होने चाहिए. Then I definitely would love to eat it, and I include it. So you don't really have to. मेरे को केला नहीं पसंद, मुझे एप्पल नहीं पसंद. So I just don't like it. I don't eat it. So whatever fruit that you like, you can eat it. Though people recommend that vitamin C में होना चाहिए, vitamin C वाले fruits खाओ, oranges and all. और मुझे पसंद है तो मैं खा लेती हूँ. अब किसी को नहीं पसंद तो मैं फोर्स तो नहीं कर सकती, बट आई थिंक खाने चाहिए. नाउ ओनली डू 3 meals a day. breakfast, lunch, dinner. Don't really go for 2 breakfasts, 2 lunches and 2 dinners. Don't do it like that. And I have an experience of a friend. What she used to do was, she was craving for food all the time in her pregnancy. So she used to get up at 5 o'clock, make burgers and used to eat 2 burgers together. मेरे साथ ये हुआ नहीं, पता है? मेरे साथ ये हुआ नहीं तो मैं बोलूँगी कि मेरा लकी था. बट अगर तो तुम्हारे साथ ये होने वाला है तो थोड़ा कंट्रोल करना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पर थोड़ा कंट्रोल की जरूरत है इन टिप्स के बावजूद. And the very important tip that I would give you, that you would think it is not important at all, and you'll think it is like normal, but it is very important, is that you don't have to overeat. Because if you're feeling hungry for 2 chapatis, just eat 2 and don't go for the 3rd one. Trust me, you will not gain weight. This is the base of not gaining weight. Guys, I think I've told you enough. Yes. So now I would like to end the video. Also another thing, yes. So once you're eating food, like your breakfast, lunch and dinner, the 3 meals of the day, make sure to include the salad. Eat kheera, eat pyaz, eat tomato, whatever salad that you want to eat, eat. Like I used to eat 2 kheeras a day. Babu! Okay, the baby is sleeping. You will see the baby in the next video, because I'm shooting another video after that and I think the baby will wake up till then. Yeah, but in this video I'm sorry. Cannot take the risks of waking him up, showing you and then putting him back and then he'll cry and I won't be able to shoot my next video. So cannot take that risk, and I will see you next time. Okay.